Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the crop tool on CapCut PC. So here I have already imported an image to my CapCut PC and I'm going to show you how you can use the crop tool. First, you can click on the photo or the videos that you want to edit and you'll see the crop options at the top in here. Crop or resize, you can see it under the resize. There will be crop and also AI expand. So the crop options can be used if you want to crop certain part of a photo or image. For example, here you can use the ratio 3:1, 1:1, 3:4, 4:3, 16:9, and also 9:16. You can choose the ratio that you want. For example, I'm going to go with 9:16. Here you can adjust the position by swiping it to the left or right like this to choose which part that you want to crop. You can also adjust the rotation, and here I'm going to just go like this. And if you are sure with the size and everything, you can click on confirm, but if you want to redo it, you can click on redo. Click on confirm, and just like that, your photo or video will be cropped. To change the canvas, you can easily click on the ratio in here and use the same size or ratio to the one that you choose on the crop, just like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.